Hi guys, Debbie here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So in today's video I wanted to do a bit of a tutorial using some pastel shades. I'm going to be using my favourite pastel palette, the Creepy Cute from Strobe. I'm using that because I've just not used it for probably, I don't know, 6 months or so, probably since I bought it. And now it's summer, I just thought it'd be nice to burst this one out again. And I also wanted to show you how to create a bit of a smoky wing with shadow. So that's what we're going to do in this one today. I'm going to be echoing the colours that are in my top, so using some pink and greys and black, but making it generally a pastel look as well. So if that sounds good to you, then please keep watching. Right, to start off the look, I'm going to prime using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk because I want to bring out the pigmentation of those pastels, and a white base is the best way to do that in my opinion. So I'm just going to pop that all over my eyes and blend that out. I don't get too much white at the top of my brow bone. I've only taken it to probably all over my lid and into my crease, but not completely to the top, so that we can create a bit of a fade there. Otherwise it will look white on my brow bone, which I'm not really after in this look. I'm just going to hop off camera and get some tape because I want to put some tape in my eyes as a guide for the smoky wing. Okay, so the tape's now in position. So I'm going to be going in with Strawberry Milk first of all, this shade, and this is going to be super easy. I'm just going to literally pack this all over my lid space and into my crease and just slightly towards my brow bone. I've taken the Exact Blend E32 by Sigma. I thought it would be good for this because it's a packing brush, but I can also use it to blend. I'm just literally packing that shadow all over where we've laid down that white base. I don't think I've ever played with this particular shade. I've used Cold Shoulder, which is the blue, and Creep It Real, which is the tealy colour, and the black out of the palette, and I'm not sure I've used the rest. So this is such a beautiful pink shade. And just the same obviously on the other eye as well. Just literally picking up the pigment and packing. Super easy. And then just on the edges of where I've packed that down, I just want to blend those edges out just a bit. But I'm just using the same brush. I've just turned it sort of on its side, so the tip of it is touching more than the packing side. I'm going to swap to a fluffier brush just to further blend out the top bit there. So now I'm going to go in with my L301 brush from Urban Decay, which is a lip brush, and I normally use it for my lower lash line, but because of the shape of the tip of the brush I think it'll be perfect for doing a smoky wing. So to do the smoky wing I'm going to use the shade Tombstone, and I'm going to follow the shape of that tape. So I'm just tracing the top of my eye and then drawing a line to meet that tape. And I don't think I could do this without the tape there, so if you don't have a brush like this one, I think a pencil brush would probably do the job just as well. I think the hardest bit of this is to get the wings even to one another, so that's what I'm just trying to perfect now, to make them the same size and the same angle as each other. Okay, I think that's kind of what we want, so I'm going to remove the tapes now, and we should have a nice defined wing there. but still smoky. My tape's taken off some of my foundation, but I'll sort that out at the end. Probably would be better doing a look like this to go in and do your foundation last, but I never like to do that, so that's just what I do. I think I'll keep this really simple and just do grey in my lower lash line as well to meet up with that wing. And then I'm just going to angle that down just slightly in the inner corner. Okay, so that's what we've got right now. Just going to do the other eye just exactly the same way. And then I'm just going to take the smallest touch of that strawberry milk shade and just blend underneath where I've laid down that grey. Okay, so that's where we are now. Gonna hop off camera, do my mascara, choose something from my inner corners as well, and a lipstick to match the look, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. What do you think? I'm really pleased with this one. I think pastels are so beautiful in summer, but I love the vibe of the creepy cute that you can, I mean it's exactly what it says on the tin really, it's creepy but cute. You can make some gothy kind of vibe looks with it, with some pops of pastel as such with it. That grey shade Tombstone was perfect for this because I wanted to keep it a bit softer. I could have used the black, but I wanted to make it softer. Strawberry Milk is such an interesting shade. It is like strawberry milkshake on your eyes. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I paired it with Jeffree Star's lipstick in Medusa. So this one, it came in the Blue Blooded bundle. Because we could have quite easily have gone with a pastel pinky lip, but we don't do the obvious lip choice around here. I try not to anyway. And in my waterline off camera, I did use the Urban Decay 24/7 liner in the shade Heartless. Just think it just opens your eyes up and really like gives your eyes a bit more sparkle. You can't really see it that well in the waterline, but it definitely makes that bit of difference. And then for my inner corner highlight, I used the Pillow Talk highlighter from Ofra, which is my new favourite highlighter. I'm wearing it on my cheeks as well today. So hope you found the tutorial useful, and if you've ever struggled to do wing liner or smoky liners, then tape definitely helps. I've got a lot of folds in my eyes because of my age. I've not really got hooded eyes, but my folds of like my skin are sort of making hoods there, and it is quite tricky. Off camera it's easier because I can pull sort of my eyes in different shapes and look down and whatever. On camera I didn't find it so easy. But it's just about taking your time in a steady hand. But I think a smoky shadow wing is a lot more forgiving. So if you struggle to do it with a liquid liner, then having a go with either a pencil, that's easier, and doing it very light strokes, or with a shadow and a very light hand and an angled kind of brush or a very thin tip brush. But for this purpose and for lining a lower lash line, totally recommend that lip brush from Urban Decay, the L301. It's one of the staples in my collection. I couldn't do a lot of my looks in the same way now without it. So if you're looking for a brush that is quite multi-purpose, that'll become a staple in your kit, totally recommend that. But I hope you've enjoyed seeing me put this one together. It's one of my favourite kind of looks to do. I love the inner corners angled down like that as well, so it just gives you a different feline sort of shape to your eyes. So let me know down in the comments, was this useful for you? Do you like it? Would you wear it? Also, have you got the creepy cute, and would you like to see more looks with the other shades that are in it? So I know as summer approaches we all start to change up our makeup and wear more pastels or paler colours, so I'm eager to do some more tutorials along those lines. I do a lot of reds and darker looks, so it'd be nice to freshen things up for spring and summer. But hope you've enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed already, I'd love to have you along for the ride. My channel's fairly new and it's starting to grow, so if you like tutorials like this, product reviews, palette bingos, and just lots of fun and chat about makeup, then please join us. But Other than that, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.